Oh, hello, mic test. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Good.
Hey, बस यही बारी दिखाते रहना. That's not a good idea, bro.
एक दिन ये उसपे बहुत बड़ा आइकन बनने वाला है. ये स्टाइल बहुत बड़ा आइकन बनने वाला है. तो देखते हैं. You just wait and
No,
watch, okay?
it will never become. No, it will never become. That's
ओ
what I
हेलो.
know.
मैं जो बोलता हूँ ना वो होता है
How
ऐसा.
many how many data types are there in primitive data types are there in a
हम्म.
JavaScript? Tell me.
Primitive data types.
How many
हाँ.
primitive data types are there in JavaScript? Tell me the number first. Then I'll ask
Okay.
what are they.
Okay. So first I will count in my mind.
Count in your mind. I know you will give me wrong answer.
Yeah, even I feel that in JavaScript or in Java.
No, not Java. Huh? It's very different. Java
It's
script. Huh? Because we are preparing for the war now.
Java.
JavaScript, JavaScript, not
अरे
Java.
we changed the
JavaScript.
stuff.
I'm just asking for just surprise, man.
Okay.
Don't get surprised. It is surprise for you, but you don't
See,
get surprise.
I in my opinion, it is
Opinion.
seven.
Yeah. Tell me what are they?
Yeah. So first is string,
Yeah, string.
int, bool,
Three.
then double.
Hey, there is no double in JavaScript. Where did you find this double? In
There is no
JavaScript.
double. There is no double. Okay.
There is a double in JavaScript. You have double in Java, not in JavaScript.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Not an issue, bro. In JavaScript, we have 7 primitive data types: string, boolean, number, null, undefined,
Oh,
symbol, and big
so
int.
so my answer was correct.
Where your answer was correct.
It was you first asked me number, so you must have surprised कि अरे साला ये तो सही बोल गया. You must have तुम्हारा
Number was
जमीर
right. Number was right.
ज,
Jamir
ज,
nahi le. Jamir
जमीर
nahi
हिल
le.
गया होगा. हाँ?
You might search on.
ऐसा 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 हिलने लगोगे पैर कांपने लगे. अरे साला ये तो सही जवाब दे रहा है आजकल यार ये तो.
नहीं. अगर कोई सही
No.
जवाब देता तो मैं सरप्राइज हो जाता हूँ कि
हाँ,
हाउ
right. So
उसने कैसे सरप्राइज करते हैं. ओके फाइन.
so one
चलो
is
आज
one is
let's share your screen. Don't show your face. I don't like
this is more beautiful than my screen. Okay.
it. You think that way, bro. Okay, cool. This nonsense.
Yeah. So today we are doing something in Java, but lang is also one kind of data type in JavaScript, if I remember, if I'm not wrong, maybe.
Hey, what is lang, Ray? Well, there is no such data types in Java. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we did
Tell,
something about JavaScript. But, just forget it. Yeah? No
okay.
problem.
Tell me the name of the class.
Today, what we are going to do? First, you tell me.
You
Yeah,
told me
today
something is
we'll.
surprise for me today.
Yeah, that was the surprise, bro. JavaScript was the surprise. Okay, fine. Yeah. Today we'll revise the older concept like overloading, overriding, all nonsense. Huh? You might forget, right?
Yes.
So fine. So create a class saying overloading. First, what is overloading? Okay.
Okay. Public class
See, first thing
overloading.
you should know, overloading happens in a same class. Okay. Where that happens in a same class, overloading.
Happens in a same
Even in same class, not in
class.
a same class. In same class. और overriding का जहां तक है, overriding happens where?
Overriding
Parent to child
happens
class.
in parent-child class. Okay.
Overriding.
Riding happens in parent-child class. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I will first do the overloading. Yeah.
Right, sir. First, we will look overloading. Overloading happens in same class. Overriding happens in same class. Oh, I recollect the stuff.
Then there is
Same.
another thing named overriding, overhiding, method overriding. Okay.
Ah.
Method hiding. When you have a static method, okay, and you try to override, that is known as method
Over
overhiding.
hiding.
Method
Over
hiding, you can say. Overhiding, method hiding.
method
That is
hiding.
also method overriding, method hiding. That is also similar.
Okay. When we over
Ride
override
a method.
static method.
The concept is not known as overriding. That concept is known as method hiding.
Concept is not is should I actually leave this there, is known as
Method hiding.
method hiding. Samshay, you cleared all my concepts, bro. You cleared all my concepts.
But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. पता है कंटेंट कौन देख रहा है? विशाल देख रहा है कंटेंट।
देख
देखा
रहा
क्या
है
कितने? एडमिन खोल, उसका एडमिन खोल, देख कितने आवर्स का वीडियो वॉच हुआ है। जस्ट वॉच
क्या बात कर रहा है? एक सेकेंड।
पीपल विल सी कि क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग। दे आर आल्सो चेकिंग कितना घंटे का क्या हुआ। That should not go in record, okay? Just take care of this.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Just check the statistics of our network.
First, how should I stop recording? नहीं, इधर नहीं है. Oh my God. ये तो नेटवर्क में चला जाएगा। मैं इसको अगर शेयर एक सेकेंड जस्ट अ मिनट आई स्टॉप शेयरिंग
जस्ट चेक अपने फ्रेंड ने क्या क्या देखा।
यस यस बिकॉज
He
बिकॉज
learns, ये कुछ सीखा कि नहीं सीखा? What
सीखा कि नहीं
he
सीखा कल उसको
then
कल उसको
we'll take him on
on the
the
screen and take a
Zoom
test.
call and
Yes, yes.
yeah, that we need to do.
Absolutely, bro. Absolutely.
Surely he will know कि मैंने ये डिस्कस किया है तेरे साथ। Once he will see this lecture.
ये भी अरे
We are already
we have 3 subscriptions यार सब्सक्रिप्शंस बढ़ रहे हैं और 4 लाइक हो गए हैं एंड हमने 5 लाइक का कुछ कमेंट ये भी किया है 5 लाइक पे कुछ तो करने वाले थे लेकिन क्या करने वाले थे वो भूल गए वी हैव टू
share your screen. I am not able to see your screen.
What are you saying? Wait.
That means people are liking your face, not the content.
See, I told you. My content is not as good as my face, okay? My face is more better.
Then people will stop watching this. They will take the picture of you and they will. What nonsense you are doing? I'm not able to see your screen, yeah.
Is it visible now? Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Good. Good.
Oh
So,
my God.
oh my God, 12 views. 10 views.
Yeah.
ये क्या हो रहा है 27 व्यूज अरे ये क्या हो रहा है भाई
I go to statistics, man. Go to statistics.
Analytics, bro. Analytics.
Where does that analytics come from?
Why be a YouTuber now? Why you are a YouTuber now? You are a part of YouTube now.
Feedback and performance. There I can see.
Where is performance?
Yeah, on that side only. Playback and performance.
Oh, PLAY. प्लेलिस्ट है यहाँ पे प्लेबैक किधर है
भाई
परफॉर्मेंस
playback ही है रे भाई तेरी इंग्लिश को क्या हो गई what is what the
ओह
hell
इट्स
is hearing
हियर नहीं मैंने फाइंड करके ढूंढ लिया ना भाई वर्क स्मार्टर
again smart I hell with that smart bro and then go to billing and payment no वहाँ क्या दिखाएगा
बिलिंग एंड पेमेंट यू आर डिसेबल्ड यू आर
no no
नॉट
no
एलिजिबल
मतलब statistics कहाँ से आते हैं
ये है ना
advanced settings में
एडवांस में तो हम जा चुके हैं उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है चैनल स्टेटस एंड फीचर्स जस्ट अ मिनट ब्रो इट शुड बी समवेयर ओवर हियर यू नो व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड जब भी मैं ये सब देखने की ट्राई करता हूँ ना मैं हमेशा ढूंढता हूँ गूगल करके क्योंकि मुझे मिलता ही नहीं है वो आइदर ये लोग ही चेंज कर देते हैं अपडेट कर देते हैं या मैं भूल जाता हूँ
okay
ये
let's
थोड़ा ऐसा
check
हो गया कि भाई कंपाइलर का गलती है मेरा गलती नहीं है ऐसा
no
हो गया
no no it's never compiler mistake it's only your mistake
बेसिक इन्फो ये ओ गॉड कैन यू सी माय स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं नहीं नहीं
Yeah, the credits yeah, two
Oh my
subscribers
God.
in last 28 days. Watch time you can see 5 lakhs,
5.4
bro.
hours, bro.
Yeah,
55 views. ये ग्राफ दिख रहा है पूरा M बना है M. अभी इसका फ्यूचर
yeah.
फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्ट कर
So, people
इसका
are taking this much interest in our channel, so keep going, bro. Keep going.
oh my God. Oh
Don't forget to watch my
yeah.
channel, subscribe, and put
Yeah. Yeah.
5 hours,
Please,
5 hours, 4 minutes.
please like, share, and subscribe, and do comment.
What you are saying that it will take this much time to watch this many hours of video? Oh, you idiot! You don't understand how people watch.
Yeah, people are too crazy. I think just because of your voice, this channel people are loving it. Otherwise, but abhi if
Okay,
you come on camera, just imagine where it will go. So understand the gravity of situation, okay, and come on
see live
camera.
count. See live count. There you see live count. Okay, that you can see what that means.
Oh
Oh
my
my God,
God.
2 subscribers. Who are the 2 subscribers? We can't see that, right?
No, we can't see that. No, we
Okay.
can't see. We have one button over here. Wait. Oh, that's it. That's it. We can't see.
Okay, once you see them, then we can congratulate them. They are doing great job. Okay, fine. Yeah, just start the session
Wait. One
for
more thing we
today. And
have. One more thing we have. Oh, okay. This is only the normal stuff. Great.
yeah, that we
So
can see reach tab, engagement tab, audience tab. What that means?
let us see now only. Oh, 131 impressions. मतलब 131 times this thing has been presented to people कि भाई देखना है क्या? देखना है क्या?
Oh my
131.
God. Impression
131 bro.
click through rate 6.9%.
मतलब क्लिक
Use
करके
55.
6% लोग क्लिक करके आए हैं बाकी सब पता नहीं फिर कैसे आए हैं
Unique viewers. We have 8 unique viewers.
8 people are watching who are 8 people bro कौन है हो सकता है अपन 3 के अलावा
They unique. It's saying unique viewers. Okay, it's not like we are just watching. Okay. What about the engagement?
Great,
Where
bro.
we are going? We are engaging people or not?
Yes watch
Yeah, we
time
are.
is for 5.4 hours 5 hours who have watched 5 hours
Because we are creating so much of meaningful content. And
Our
look at the
content,
audience.
our content is valuable, bro. Average view duration time. Everybody's at least watching 5 minutes. I think I should talk to Vishal ki bhai ye kya hai bhai? ये सुधारना
This
पड़ेगा.
is not good. Hey, don't mention the our viewers
Oh,
name
sorry,
also.
sorry. Did you mention some name or what?
Hey, just check the audience also.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, here we can get unique viewers, bro, specifically where blue is new users and this is returning users, purple one.
Chalo. Yeah, no problem. We are doing great, and today we'll learn
So,
the
so
new
Samshir,
concept.
take your right hand, keep it on your back, and congratulate yourself for
My
this achieving this
phone is
milestone.
in right hand, so I can't
Okay,
do that.
so take your left hand and put it on your back and
Yeah, I
congratulate
did it.
to achieve this
Uh,
milestone, right? And come on camera, bro. If you come on camera, this will uh, आसमान
कसं असं
छुएगी.
कसं काय रे तुम्ही असं कसं का करते चल
Oh
ना
my God, you learn मराठी भाई. हे भगवान, अभी महाराष्ट्र का क्या होएगा? Oh my God.
तुम्ही तुम्ही सांगली तुम्ही सांग जरा मला मराठी पर्सेंट आहे तुम्ही कितना बोलतो रे
बोलना चाहिए. It is good for
चल
heart. It improves blood. Okay. So let us create method, bro. Tell me the name of the method.
hey you tell me how you gonna achieve this I'm not
Okay.
gonna tell anything to you.
Okay, I will tell you, bro. I will tell you. I will tell you.
You tell
Let us
me and
let
I'm just
us
gonna watch this.
right. So let us start with method overloading. Okay, method method overloading and overloading LODING. Let us consider we need to do addition of few numbers. Okay, and we want to create ready-made methods for those calculations. So what we will do, so if I want to create addition of two numbers and addition of three numbers, so let us create a method first. Public public void add. Okay, so this is our method, and here we have two numbers, so int a comma int b, right?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay,
Once you done, then tell me.
correct. And let us call this, so add we have to pass two integers, so 2 comma 5. Cannot make a static reference to non-static method add.
That's what I want to see where you are right now.
Okay. So static का कर देंगे तो ये तो method adding हो जाएगा. चलो ठीक है. Let's see. Return type for the method is missing. Okay. We will give a return type. Cannot make a static reference to a non-static method. Okay. So we will create object of the class and then we will call it. I think this should work. If it is in the same class, I don't think so. We should create an object, but okay. Let us check once. Okay. You explain me this thing later, okay? Because
Okay, yeah.
yeah. So now we called this thing, and let us return a plus b. We are returning this, and int is our return type. Okay. So now I am printing this sys t. Let us run this. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Now I want to keep this method, but I have three parameters. I have three numbers to be added. So what will I do? Will I create another method? No. I will create same method with three parameters, same name. So what is method overloading? What we learned, if we have same name in the method but different number of parameters, then we call it as method overloading. What did
Okay.
we learn, Samsher?
What did you learn? Tell me, bro.
Right. So I mean, I am talking with the reference of our viewers also. We as in not just I and you, we as in I, you, and all other viewers. So what we learned is, if we have same name of the method with different number of parameters, we call this concept as method overloading. Now we can call the same method in the system.order println with different parameters. If 4, it will not call this method. It will call this method. Let us check. Yeah, it's 11 now. So this concept is called as method overloading. We can make as many number of methods
This
with
is
different
also known
parameters.
as
Correct.
static binding.
It is also called
Binding
as static
happened
binding.
at compile time, not run time. So it's a static binding. You can say there is a runtime polymorphism, or there is a
Runtime polymorphism and static binding.
there is a static poly. What say runtime and which polymorphism? There
Runtime
is a static binding. There is a dynamic binding. So this is the static binding because binding happened at compile time. So we call this overloading static binding. Okay.
correct.
अभी हम करेंगे क्या? We talk about method overriding.
Method overriding.
Riding happen in a different class, so we need to create a different class. Outside of this class, we'll create another class.
Right.
We will write this override that method.
I just want to write this stuff for our viewers. Binding happens at compile time. Hence, it is called as static binding. Is it correct?
Yeah, that is also known as overloading.
Yeah.
A static polymorphism. You can say a static polymorphism, right? Static binding.
Static binding. Can you tell me the spelling of polymorphism if in case it is wrong?
Yeah, it's
POLYMOR.
good. They will understand. PH,
You're
PH,
ruining my reputation, huh?
yeah, PHISM. You are
PH.
from Don Bosco, right? If I tell you the meaning of polymorphism, then it will like you are just downgrading their education system. So I don't want to ruin their ecosystem.
Thanks for saying this on live content. Okay, thank you.
So create another class. Huh?
Yeah, I'll create another class now. Now, if okay, so this concept is clear, right? Uh, polymorphism or static binding.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
this is static binding. Even if methods are not static, then also it is static binding.
Yeah. See,
So
now create another class.
Okay. Now I'll create another class outside of this class. Class we are overriding.
Overriding, yeah.
Now here we have
How
method
you will take that class? You will say extend overloading.
extend overloading.
Yes. Extends. There is a S keyword. Where is that S? Yeah.
So now we have all properties of overloading in overriding. We can call all
Yeah.
methods of overloading via overrides object. So let me call the method override or is equals to new override.
Hey, don't create object. Override the method. Why you are creating the object?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Now, if I create,
Implement the same method. Implement the same method in the class.
okay, int add okay, now what is the error? This method must return a result of type int. अरे पता है.
If you know, then why you are not writing?
अरे वो लिखने से पहले ही एरर दे देता है, उसको टाइम देना मांगता है ना.
Because we need a speed typing master, bro.
Correct. It will happen that also one day. So now, if we call this method, then it will no, Samsher, how will I? Acha, and if I have different content in the method,
Content doesn't matter. I'm saying now if you'll create the object of
override or overloading.
no. See, do one thing. Just just extend override class in overloading. Then it will clear your concept.
Okay, in overloading, extends override. Yeah.
Override.
So now it
I remove
says.
this extend.
Acha.
Remove this extend. Okay. Now what you did?
Now
There
I
is
have
already method present
yes.
int something, right?
Mhm.
Now you are extending override in your main class.
Mhm.
Then that method will be available, right?
Correct.
This method of override will be available in your overloading, right?
Right.
If you will call
This method.
this method,
Mhm.
there you are returning plus, right? Here you can do multiply. Here you do multiply. In the override, you do multiply. Then you will understand which method is called, right?
Okay.
There you can do, yeah, overriding. And now create a object.
Object in override, right?
No. Object in overloading, yeah.
Object in overloading. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, O is already created, yes. Hello.
Yeah, created. Then call the method.
So, okay. So where is my main?
You want to override, na? You want to use the method present in the override, right?
Yes.
You say overloading O equals to new override. New override.
Okay. So
Don't say
where
overload.
shall I write? Shall I write in overloading or overriding?
Overloading. You have already written overloading O equals to
Okay.
new override. New override.
Let me create a new one. Overloading equals to new
Override.
override.
Where is the variable name, bro?
Oh, yes.
Up, see. Who is the parent? Who is the parent class?
Parent is override is parent.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
check what error it is throwing.
It says type mismatch cannot convert from override to overloading.
Right. Why it's saying? Because parent can hold child, right? Child cannot hold parent.
Parent
Okay.
can hold child. Child cannot hold
There
parent.
you can
Right.
write, right. There you can write override equals to override equals to override O equals
Override
to
equals to
new override. Yeah, you said?
it will be new
Yeah, you can say
overloading, right?
overloading. Yeah, you can say
Huh.
overloading. Fine.
Okay. Okay.
Now
Fine.
you call that or dot add. Now call or dot add.
Var dot add.
Pass the two
Okay.
number. Run the program.
Now, which will it call?
Yeah.
What? It returned 11.
No, it's not right. You that was the return of first statement.
Ah, correct, correct. It didn't. Acha, okay. I have to do. I have to type this in
You have to print.
print. Correct, correct.
Now run the code.
It returned 25. Okay, okay. But it still returned. I mean,
You have override the parent method. What you did? You have override the
we have
parent method.
override the parent method. Okay, okay.
Matlab, see,
Instead of this method, we have
yeah,
override this method on the
yeah,
parent method.
yeah.
But
Child
we
class में you have a child class
hmm,
overloading.
hmm.
Now you can write like override O equals to new override, right? Override OR equals to new override. Write it.
Okay. Override
OR1 equals to new override.
override. Okay, yes, equals to new
Override.
override.
Now call the method. Presenting override. Override dot add. System dot out dot println.
Okay, fine.
Run the program.
Yeah. So it's 10 now. So now it took this method.
Yeah,
But
because we have created the object of the that.
object of override. But now if we've created object of this in parent, we have hold child is being hold by parent. So child कौन है overloading का method आ जाएगा override के object में and it will take object of this and this is called as overriding. Okay,
Right.
understood. But now I have one question. When can you give me an example of such thing?
Right. See, your parent has have some property, right? So who will override?
Uh,
I'm not gonna override. Varin Siraya will override, right? Once I will come into the picture, I'll hide that. Okay. I'll method hiding.
no. No.
If in case if you don't want to take your father money, then you can overload that. Okay.
No. I will always take father's money. Father's money are like blessings. Okay, one should never ठुकराना नहीं चाहिए.
That was all for today.
No, we have just completed overloading, bro, and overriding. Who will do
Yeah,
method? Who will do method hiding?
just a static. That's it. It will hide the method.
No. ऐसे तो मुझे इलोन मस्क का टेस्ला का गाड़ी बनाना भी आता है. जस्ट मेक अ टेस्ला कार, इलेक्ट्रिक कार इंस्टेड ऑफ पेट्रोल कार. तो ऐसे थोड़ी बनता है भाई, करना पड़ता है भाई। ऐसे नहीं भाई, टाइप करके भाई, ऐसे नहीं।
Not an issue, okay? We'll type it. I
Yeah,
said it, we'll
we
type
will
it.
do it. We will not run away from our responsibilities. Today, I
No, we
have,
will never run away from.
yeah, you never run away. You have a reputation of not run away from responsibilities. You just have a reputation of not picking up the calls when you want to run away. सबका नाम कभी खराब नहीं होता है।
Allahu
It
Ala,
was a
Allahu Ala.
joke. Laugh. Otherwise, I will kill you. It was a joke. My viewers will not be able to understand the joke if you won't laugh.
Allahu, Allahu. Okay, fine. Not a problem.
Now you made my video race. Uh, I mean, it is it now. My video was secular. Now you made my by taking the word of your God. Now you made my video not good for another community. What man? I will kill you. Now my video will get more views from only Afghanistan. Otherwise, it won't get more views. I will take revenge of this. Yeah. Tell me, what am I supposed to do now? Name of the class.
Just say static in front of the method. You don't have to do anything.
Okay, if I say public static int, so why do we get an error over here? This
Say
static
static
method.
Static.
Shall I create new method or only static method you want?
Static method I want. I want in a child class, you have one static method. In a child class.
In the child class, method overload is the child class.
Method overload is a he's extending. Yeah, he's a child class. Yeah.
Overloading is a child class. Yes.
You can have a one static method there.
I can have one static method. I already have one static method over here.
Yeah. You can have one more static method in your parent class.
One more static method in my parent class. Okay, so I think we need to create another. Achha, okay, we can do over here. Excuse me.
Yeah.
चलेगा, लेकिन ये इसके पीछे का concept क्या है? That is not in the scope of my understanding.
Okay. Why it's not in your scope of understanding? You tell me.
दोनों जगह static लिख लिया तो क्यों चला गया error? Method overloading खत्म हो गया.
Static लिख दिया ना.
Can we create separate example for this? Can we create separate example for better understanding?
Yeah, it's good. This example is good. Yeah.
No. Let us create new. Otherwise, I will mix the concepts.
That will be good if you mix up everything in. See, there was a time जब मेरे को खाना बनाना नहीं आता था. I used to put everything in a cooker.
कौन मगजमारी करे? सब्जी भी डालो अंदर, राइस भी डालो अंदर, 4 सीटी बजेगी, बन जाएगा.
राइस पीनट दाल चना दाल whatever राइस सब डाल देता था एक ही में. मतलब क्या मिक्सचर बनता था यार इसका. नमक ऑयल एवरीथिंग एट वंस. अरे वही जो अरे सॉल्ट ऑयल व्हाटएवर रे. और एक बार में डाल के क्या बनता था यार कि कोई नहीं खाता था एक्सेप्ट मी.
खुद को तो टेस्ट ज्यादा अच्छा आता रहेगा क्योंकि खुद बनाया रहेगा. तो यही तुझे ही समझ रहा है, मुझे नहीं समझ रहा है. Thanks for sharing your example to help me explain you the problem. ये मेरे को तो गड़बड़ जा रहा है.
Okay.
जल्दी
So
जल्दी.
what?
हाँ,
क्या
कोई नहीं. नया
अभी क्या
प्रोग्राम लिख
करना
दूं.
है?
मेथड
What
हाइडिंग.
I am thinking कि Varun will do it tomorrow. Tomorrow
अच्छा.
I'll come up with a good concept.
Okay, okay. So you can tell
Okay.
me directly that you are not prepared. ऐसा घुमाने का क्या जरूरत है? Our
Hey,
viewers
I'm not
can
घुमाएंगे रे.
understand.
I'm not. I'm not घुमाएंगे you. I'm telling you.
No, no. My viewers are waiting for you. चलो कोई नहीं. We will do it tomorrow with better examples, right?
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow with the better example.
So
If you want it right now,
mhm.
I can give you something better than that. Huh? Just wait. Just wait and watch what we can do. Where I can chat with you, bro. Can I?
Yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
I can chat here. I need to
I'll
paste.
send you hi.
I've sent you the code.
Okay. Let me copy this.
Copy everything. I'll explain the concept there only. Yeah.
Yeah, this would work.
Yeah. So I think your time will be saved.
It will definitely save a lot of time. Yeah.
Which class contain the main method? Just name it.
Yeah, the super
Child contains the main
class
method. So make
child
it public and
contains
save the name as a child. Make it
public.
public and make the class name as child. File name as a child.
Sorry. What did you say?
चलेगा उसको मिटा दे. So just remove it. Public remove कर दे. Remove the public. Yes. Remove it. Yeah. See, there is a super class. Super means that is your top class. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You have a public static void foo method that is printing I am a foo in super. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There is another method known as public void bar, and there is another thing known as system.out.print, and I am in bar super. Yeah.
Yes.
We come to the child class. We extended the super class, right?
Yes, right.
Then we have written public static. What we have written? Public static foo.
Public static
Right?
void foo. Yes.
We are saying I'm in child. Here we are doing method hiding because the static thing is there. How we will hide? You will see it later.
Okay.
Public void bar, we have written bar, and we are doing what I said about writing. That writing will happen in a different class. So we come to the child class and we are writing that method. Okay, I'm in a child. It's saying overriding. Okay.
Okay.
When you say, when you see, when you don't want to use like what is there in the parent class, so we simply hide that method. That method will be there, and we can also use the मतलब ये नीचे वाला child का implementation. अभी हमने क्या किया? Public static void main loading तो concept clear है ना, overloading का, right?
बिल्कुल.
So what we did in first he is saying child object is reference by the variable of type super. The child reference है अपने पास. We are creating object of which class? Child class, right? Child class को parent can hold, but parent का child cannot hold. हाँ, तो अपने पास child class का object है, right?
Right.
We have super का object, and then we have a child का object, right?
Right.
When you say super.foo, तो कौन सा मेथड कॉल होना चाहिए according to you?
According to me, it should call parents method.
Parents में तो which method? Tell me.
In child के अंदर जो लिखा हुआ है
no. It will call the what I said.
soup.foo करेंगे तो foo super child के अंदर जो foo है that will be called.
That will be called, huh?
Yes.
So what it is saying, it will call the method of super.
But I have a question here. As we learned before in our previous example, uh, this is child super and this is parent. So,
That was in the case of overloading, not in the case of overriding.
oh,
Okay, that's
okay,
what I'm saying.
okay.
It's a method hiding.
It's method hiding.
Yeah, that is in the
So,
case of static. It will hide the method.
so it will hide the method in the child and it will take,
Right.
it will hide the method of parent and it will
It will
take off the
hide the
child.
method of child. Child, re, gade, child. It will print the method of parent. Actually,
No,
इसको बोलते हैं method hiding.
no,
Hiding.
it called the method from super. Super is child, bro. So
Super is there.
it is
Where it
hiding
is super? Who
it
is extending super?
super is
Super extending
child.
somebody.
Super is
Super how?
extending
Super
child,
is
right?
child.
Child is child is parent over here, right? It is in right hand
How
side.
is child parent over here? If you are inheriting something, that means you are parent or child.
I am child,
So you are child to say why you are saying you are parent over here.
but right hand
You are
side is
extending home.
left hand side is inheriting from right hand side. Am I correct?
No, no, no. You are saying new child. You are creating object of whom child.
Oh, so my
You are
all
creating object
concepts
of
are
child,
mixed
right?
now. Yes,
No,
yes,
no,
yes.
don't go up, don't go up, don't go up. Leave it. I'm
Okay.
saying you are creating child of what? Child object का object create कर रहा है. According to you,
Hmm.
that super dot foo should call child ka foo, right?
Hmm.
But it was in case of overloading. Okay, it
Oh,
was in case of overloading.
it
That
was
is
in
method hiding. It is static method. Parent
this.
will hide the method of child class. Okay.
Okay, this is दुर्गा सर जो सिखाते थे
Right, right. It
सुबह
is
सुबह सुबह
Durga.
लक्ष्मी, हाँ, कि
Subha Lakshmi.
पेरेंट के कंडी पसंद से
Yeah,
शादी
that will
करने
that
का.
will come. That will come later. That will come later. See,
Okay, okay.
now you are creating child object, right?
Yeah.
Whatever you will call with the child reference, child ka object will call, child ka method will call. Huh? So you said child dot foo, right? It
Yes.
will call the method of kaha ka? Child ka.
We'll call
Okay?
the method of super.
अरे बेवदा नीचे देख रहे.
अच्छा, मतलब चाइल्ड के रेफरेंस से कॉल किया तो इट विल कॉल द मेथड ऑफ चाइल्ड.
राइट.
यस.
अब फिर से लिखा है सुपर डॉट बार. सुपर डॉट बार. अब दिस इज ओवरलोडिंग. हाँ, दिस इज ओवरलोडिंग दैट यू आर टॉकिंग.
अच्छा,
ये
अच्छा.
तू पहले बोल रहा था. दिस इज
दिस
सुपर
इज
डॉट बार. इट इज नॉट सुपर डॉट फू. इट्स नॉट
करेक्ट,
स्टैटिक.
करेक्ट,
Okay,
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
that's why it's
करेक्ट.
calling child ka wala. Once you are saying child dot bar, it will
हम्म.
call the method of child again. Okay,
ओके, ओके.
when it is static, that time it will hide the child method.
When it
Okay,
is static, it will hide the child method. Okay.
yes, that वही केस तुमको याद रखना है. और केस तो तुम्हारा वैसा ही रहेगा जैसा तुम सोचते हो.
When it is static, it will hide the method of child and it will overcome from parent. Super का
Yeah,
मेथड कॉल होगा. बट अगर स्टैटिक नहीं है तो भैया.
ओवरलोडिंग तो जो नॉर्मल तेरा जो भी थे समझता वैसा.
Okay, okay. I think
Got the
we need to learn keep this session on this again with Durga Sar's examples.
Subbalakshmi.
Subha Lakshmi, yeah, yeah. It will actually clear concept of us as well as our viewers. We
Ask
can make it
viewer to
more.
like, subscribe, and share the
Yeah, I could have asked
faith with
them, but
everybody.
right now, I am only not feeling today. Unfortunately, I have to go through this video again to understand
Okay,
the
go and
reference.
just upload it so that I can also go through this. What is the missing part that we can improve?
Correct, correct. I will upload this. I'll upload this. So we will to be continue. We will again continue this session,
Yeah,
uh,
no problem.
and to clear the concepts, right?
Yeah.
So please like, share, and subscribe. And if you like such videos, do hit a like button and help us to inspire to create more such videos for you. It will help not only you to understand the concept, it is also helping us to revise all previous concepts.
Yeah.
right?
If you have any query regarding
And yes,
interviews
if
and
you
anything, then you
correct,
can
right,
comment on
please
comment section,
comment
and
down in
we'll
comment section,
be very
right?
happy to share that with you.
We will read each and every comment and try to answer each and every questions regarding this. And anything else, Samsher?
Nothing from my end. Worry. That's all.
Great. So see you tomorrow. Bye
Yeah. Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Good night.
Chalo.
Okay.
Okay.